As a professional general contractor for metallurgical projects, SMG focuses on providing one-stop services for complete steel production lines to global clients. We are committed to tailoring cost-effective turnkey solutions of steel production lines for every customer. We presented the seamless steel pipe production process in the previous issue. And now follow SMG's camera to explore the remaining production procedures. Welcome back to the intelligent manufacturing side of seamless steel pipes. At this moment, straight steel pipes are neatly arranged on the spacious chain cooling bed. Through uniform air cooling shaping, the pipes cool down from high temperature and gain stable toughness. Workers conduct inner bore cleaning. SMG never compromises on turnkey quality standards even in manual operations. Skilled workers precisely remove iron scraps inside pipes, ensuring thorough internal cleanliness with meticulous craftsmanship. The clean steel pipes are then smoothly conveyed onto the fully automatic roller table, advancing steadily to the subsequent finishing process. The steel pipes move into the straightening unit for shape rectification. Supported by high-precision equipment adjustment, pipe deformation is thoroughly corrected and residual stress fully eliminated. The finished pipes feature perfect straightness and dimensional accuracy. The delivery of such high-end heavy core equipment underpins SMG's strength as a turnkey general contractor. For straight steel pipes, advance side by side into the automatic cold sawing area. Sharp alloy saw blades cut down rapidly to precisely trim excess pipe ends, creating flawless pipe mounts instantly. Manual precise remeasurement is conducted to strictly inspect the inner wall thickness of steel pipes, the outer diameter and overall dimensions of the pipes undergo rigorous manual re-inspection simultaneously. Qualified pipes that pass all stringent inspections flow smoothly through efficient logistics hubs and steadily gather in the large finished product storage area. Subsequently, the pipes are sent into the heat treatment furnace, subjected to stringent temperature cycling and quenching and tempering treatment. The comprehensive physical properties of steel pipes are greatly enhanced. Superior equipment supply forms the solid foundation of SMG's complete production line delivery capability. The heat-treated steel pipes are transported to the cooling bed array for uniform air cooling and shaping. Cooled and shaped steel pipes are steadily sent to the non-destructive testing station. High-precision testing equipment accurately detects and screens out all microscopic internal defects, ensuring no potential risks leave the production line. The formed pipes gather steadily in the finished product area. Yet this is not the end under SMG's customized solutions. The scene shifts to the sophisticated physical and chemical laboratory, where rigorous ultimate tensile tests are underway. Impact tests simulate instantaneous heavy impact to rigorously measure the impact toughness of steel pipes. Microstructure analysis is conducted synchronously to verify the superior material stability of pipes based on intrinsic crystal structure. The final stage is hardness testing. Empowering the global steel industry with reliable delivery, SMG delivers professional expertise and cost-effective products and services to help you build high-quality steel production lines. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.